Hello, what's up guys? My name is Percy and I'm the Guinness World Record holder for the largest collection of fast food toys. Yeah baby! And I'm here once again to tell you another amazing and stupendous and inspiring Percy's fast food toy. This have been close as my next of kin. Then happy came one day, chase my blues away. My life began with happy smile, sweet life, candy to a child. Stay here and love me just a while. Let sadness see what happy does. Let happy be where sadness was. Happy, that's you. You made my life brand new. Lost as a little lamb was I, till you came in. My life began with happy smile, sweet like candy to a child. Stay here and love me just a while. Let sadness see what happy does. Let happy be where sadness was. Till now, where have I been? What lifetime was I in? Suspended between time and space, lonely until happy came smiling up at me. Sadness had no choice but to flee. I say a prayer so silently. Let sadness see what happy does. Let happy be where sadness was. Till now. Happy, yeah, yeah, happy. La 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 la, la 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 la, yeah, happy. Ooh, happy. La 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 la, la 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 la, yeah, happy. Ooh, happy. So this is the cat from Looney Tunes. Yeah, our fast food toy story for today. Bye, see you around. I hope to see you again with our next fast food toy. Oh.